This is Jabila, Lamar, and Elliot reporting from the third grade news team. Here at the news station, we just received some breaking weather news. Weather models show that there's a blizzard heading in our direction.
With this type of storm, you can expect heavy winds, super cold temperatures, jumbo snow, frostbites. Roads can be closed, body covered, electricity can be off because it can freeze power lines.
It is important to prepare for this type of storm because when your body gets too weak, you will get sick. Then you will die because your body's too weak from being outside too long.
Did you know that a blizzard can make you die? And also, if you get caught outside, it can kill you because it is too cold to stay outside in the cold.
With this proper preparation, we will be able to weather this harsh storm. Continue to check in with us here at the third grade newsroom for the most current and late breaking news on this storm.